Welcome back everybody into another daily recap. Today is Friday the 16th of February and we're going to do the recap of the day and also for the week. So we're going to start with the morning. Throughout the early London session, pre-London actually, we had some GBP retail sales. I was not trading during the time, I came into the chart later on, but we can see that they were very good number. They were expecting even negative numbers, so not only they were better than before, they were much better than expected as well. And this can be seen in the actual, for example, GBPUSD chart. We can see that how we got a very impulsive bullish move for around 18 pips, 20 pips more or less, and we got the retracement all the way down to exactly this same PSA. That's where we could have had a possible first entry and a buy limit setup if we were looking at the chart. But after seeing this double rejection at this hourly, also there were space for some, I saw it of course later on, some counter trend trade when the same PSA would be broken on the downside and yeah, giving us around 10 pips of range move. After that, the main event was expected to be the PPI throughout the New York session. You can see producer price index coming up hotter, so an increase more. Of course, we were expecting a decrease from the previous one, and it was actually bigger. So it was actually more than the previous and more than expected. So that's what brought. That is what exactly what brought this USD strength, because of course that fits the narrative of the rate higher for longer. And yeah, that's where I was actually trading. So I was more on the 20-tick chart due to the nice volume that we had, and I took a couple of trades on here. So you can see that I waited. I saw this aggressive move. I was waiting for a sell below these lows, but first of all, I saw this breakout. Might have been a little bit too ambitious, I would say, because not even a 20-tick chart candle closed over there. But when I saw this bullish candle, I placed the buy limit, got activated, and only 3 pip of profit. You know that I would need 5 pips at least, to go over there before going at break even, and then it pushed back down into these lows. Then my main trade idea was this one at the break and retest below these lows, taking this. I placed a sell limit over there, which got triggered a little bit unlucky because we got taken out exactly at the top of this area, but it would not be a break even either because it will only go around 3.9 pips. After that, I saw this price action. I missed this move. This one would have been a break even one as well, so not even a win. After that, I had to leave the chart around this time, so I didn't see anything of this further price action. What I can see just after the fact is that we are seeing this breakout from this same PSA, which is an hourly and which is also the last pivot point. You can see that if I've placed a buy limit over there, maybe I will say, yeah, damn it, I missed it, but I would have left it there, and then it would have been triggered, and then going into profits for a second chance. The thing is that I was not at the chart to see that. You can see here, or you have a breaker retest above these highs, above this PSA as well. Maybe, I don't know where I would have placed it. Maybe I would have placed it over there. Yeah, it would have been a stop down before pushing up. Just recently giving some price action and breaker retest above these highs for 12 more pips. Still healthy volume, healthy continuation up, I would say. But of course, this is just later into the New York. Just a brief look on DJ because I haven't looked too much. Wow, very nice retest of this BPL, very nice retest of the same PSA, and yes, let's see. Yeah, not much really happening. Even a breaker retest below these lows, only 10 pips. So now let's go into gold. So gold, I actually took my first trade on gold. It was around, you can see, basically 12. I saw this breakout. I placed my buy limit over there, and I don't think it got missed first. Maybe it got missed, but anyway, got activated. Price will go and stay above my entry for around 18 pips. You know that my trigger is at 20 pips, but after that I actually left it open even with the PPI. Luckily, I only got slipped by around 3 pips, so instead of a 10 pip stop loss, I got a 13 pip stop loss, which is very, very good. But yeah, could have been on the opposite side and yeah, have this same price action, but from here, like getting 30-40 pips of profits. So that's okay. After that, I unfortunately missed. Oh, I also went on the 20-tick chart for gold because there was good volume. I missed this entry after taking this 3 losses actually, because I already took 3 losses for the day, 1 and 2 on GBPUSD. And I took this entry. I would have taken this entry, would have been a win. I missed that. This one would have been a break-even one. But after that, yeah, I saw this was the last one, the fourth trade of the day, which was a very good entry, I would say. Price very aggressively breaking above these highs, retesting them. Very nice entry. Will only go around 15 pips and then push back down for 10. Still, then after that, it would move on a bearish side and only move bullish after the 4 a.m. This is the 10 a.m. Eastern candle. That's when we had the consumer sentiment, but was not really shocking. It was in the middle between the expected and the previous one. So just following the price action, we can see that we would have had some nice, let me go on the 1 minute, some nice entries. For example, you can see how on the 1 minute, this is a very clean entry. This one early on would have been quite difficult to enter. Very nice rejection in the same area. But here, I want to check over here if we had any retest in that 1 minute candle. Yeah, not much. Not really any retest or clear retest for a possible buy limit entry, but 100% over here. After price is breaking above, we have very clean retest of this same PSA, and hopefully we get activated, and that would be another win. More than 60 pips. Actually, it's very, very good. I hope that it would not be triggered at break even. Yeah, hopefully not. Then giving further entry ideas over here, maybe missed by something, but that depends. Would have been very nice. I mean, what I want to say is that it was a very nice movement. Also above these highs. Yeah, but would not be triggered up until now for around 20 pips. And yes, so overall for the day was around was 4 trade losses. You can see 1 on gold from the morning, 2 on GBPUSD in the early New York, and then 1 other on gold later on. A couple of missed entries, yes, and also this one were kind of late, not because it's late, but because I was not trading, I was not in the chart during the afternoon. So let's go and have a look at the actual February. How is it going on throughout this month? Just to remind you that the goal of these exercises is to take at least a trade a day. Just take them, and I can see that, I mean, I've been averaging around 3 trades per day, which is good because I know that the opportunities are quite good, and so I'm happy about it. Don't really want to focus too much on the actual result and the outcome, because I want to focus on the process of taking entries and just seeing the market. I'm learning a lot. So from the first 2 weeks, which were profitable, this one was quite a negative one, just minus 6%. This reward was a little bit less. I don't know what does it count. It counts the average net in terms of euros, and yeah, 4 win, 15 losses. It's quite a wild one, yeah, but yeah, week 3. Yeah, it's all this week, and yeah, we took quite a lot of trades, around 20 trades, only 4 wins, and you can still see that, I mean, it's not that tragic. But yeah, of course, I want to improve, increase this win rate. This was the week, and we analyzed every day the entries, what went wrong, and especially the missed entries. So I really don't want to focus on the percentage wise, on the outcome, because that's not what I'm doing right now. And yeah, I want to just keep going and keep focusing on the remaining part of this month, which is basically 2 weeks. Yeah, 1 week and a half for the month. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoy, and see you this weekend with the backtesting sessions.